Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Madic from Uphold to your Arculus wallet. If you're looking to secure your crypto or just manage it better, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there in no time. Madic, the native token of the Polygon network, is super popular for fast and cheap transactions, and moving it to a hardware wallet like Arculus adds an extra layer of security. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need an Uphold account with Madic in it, your Arculus wallet properly initialized, and the wallet's address handy. Double check that you're using the correct network, Polygon for Madic, to avoid any issues. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find your Madic balance. It's usually under the Assets section. Click on Madic to view your holdings. Step 2. Hit the Withdraw or Send button next to your Madic balance. This will open a form where you enter the destination details. Pro tip: always verify the recipient address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. That could mean losing your crypto forever. Step 3. In the withdrawal form, select the Polygon network if it's an option, then paste in your Arculus wallet address. Enter the amount of Madic you want to send, and don't forget to check the transaction fees. They can vary, so aim to send enough to cover them without overdoing it. Step 4. Review everything carefully. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and approve it. Now, head over to your Arculus wallet app or device and keep an eye out for the incoming transfer. It should show up in a few minutes, depending on network congestion. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Madic from Uphold to Arculus. Remember, always prioritize security in the crypto world. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. If you run into any hiccups, check Uphold's support or the Arculus docs. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.